Okay, so I'm pretty excited to receive this today. The Xiaomi portable electric air compressor. I've been using a Michelin air compressor to fill air in my car tires and other vehicles that we have in the family. This one is specifically something that I realized that somebody who uses a motorcycle for going on adventure trips, especially, they use it because it has an inbuilt battery, and then it doesn't need a separate uh, power connection. So the I found one interesting thing. So when you pull this out, it will switch on. So if you want to switch it off, just put it back in. Pretty neat. And this is something my wife will like. It comes with a nice pouch to keep it safe in. And it comes with some accessories, I see. So this is the charging cable. It's a USB-C cable. And here are some accessories, including a pin to fill a basketball, football. I do have other accessories with the other pump that I have. So for example, if I want to inflate the swimming pool ring for my kid, I can still use this one. That's one of the uses that I thought that I would like to use this air pump for. I'm hoping it'll be useful for my hopefully my road trips, which I am planning to have. It's pretty compact and it doesn't weigh that much. I don't know in weight how much it does weigh. If it is written over here, it's supposed to have a 2000 milliampere hour battery and a 5 volt 2 amperes input. The price is 4,499, but that's not how much I got it for. I got it for almost half that much. I got for 2,700 something from Amazon. So yeah, this product seems to be a fast seller because it keeps going in stock, out of stock. Luckily for me, as soon as it was in stock, I ordered it and here it is. So that's about it, folks. Thanks. Hi guys, so here we are to review the Xiaomi portable electric air compressor that I received day before yesterday. Didn't get time to check it out yesterday. I was out on the ride. Let's see how fast it fills air in a car tire. Let's set the pressure. It's at 29 psi, so that's fine. So all we need to do is connect it to the tire. Let's see how easy it is. Okay, not bad. Okay, so it's showing that currently the tire pressure is 27. There we are, 29. It's supposed to set the pressure, isn't it? Let's try again in another tire. That was pretty easy. Let's see if we are able to fill in all 4 tires. Let's fill the pressure a little less. So for example, if it's 31 recommended, I fill it as 29. Okay, so this one's less, 25. It's good, no leaks. I'm filling pretty fast as well. And I don't feel the tube getting hot. And 7, 28, 29. Let's see if it goes to 30. Okay, so that's what we didn't do the last time. It's okay. Good. 2 more tires to go. So as you can see, the valve for the tires is all over the place as the tire rotates. That's not creating any kind of a problem for me to connect the pump. Okay, it's showing that this tire is at 28. Let's give it a fill. Auto shut off. I think the auto shut off is the best part. Okay, and the last one to go. This one's gonna be a bit tricky for me. $27. Wonderful. One more thing I like about this pump is when I'm unscrewing from the tire, it is not releasing the pressure out. Okay, 4 tires done. Let's go to my bike. Okay, where are the valves? There they are. Maybe we'll push the bike a little ahead to get the valves in position. Okay. This is actually the reason why I bought this pump. Cars have a 12-volt out to which pumps can be connected. Bikes don't have any such thing. Okay, 25. Of course, it's less. And one thing I forgot to check. For the bike, I like to keep it as per the specifications. So as you can see, 28.5, 28.5. So 29 should be fine. Let's do it. I mean, what if I have a flat in the middle of a jungle somewhere on the bike? I need something like this to fix it, right? Fixing the flat for a tubeless tire is easy, but you need something to fill air as well. Perfect. Okay, last tire to go. This is the 5th tire that we filled in a matter of few minutes, and I don't feel the pump is getting warm. The tube is a little bit warm now because it's expected. Oh, the LED started running. Left to take it more behind just so it's more comfortable. Okay, that should do it. Yes, perfect. Yeah, my bike is a little dirty. It's kind of weird. Monsoons. And I haven't really got around to cleaning it. perfect. Now no need for me to be lazy to fill air in the vehicles on this side. Okay, and that's done. 6 tires in all. I think it's good. Doesn't get too hot and has good amount of endurance. Okay, so that's pretty much good. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching.